Okay, I was given this at a car boot sale today. It's a little mortice hook lock. I don't know if you can make out the hook or not. It's not overly clear in the video, but there you go. The key was broken, so we'll have a little go and see if we can get into it. Bent up a bit of wire, and a bit of plastics just to stop my fingers getting the works. Put it in, move that up, and you might manage to see the lever's moving. And just try and get this and that. Probably just a 2 lever. I can only get the levers to move. It's whether or not I can get the bolt to go back. There we go. Shut. And if I'm exceptionally lucky, I'll get it to come back out again. Now if you can make that out. Once again, it's bloodyvideos.com. Thank you.